Guys, I'm Toni and I'm coming to you from Arizona. I wanted to talk to you guys today about a wonderful discovery that I made recently. There's a company called Gents Trading Company. So I recently got married back in October, and when I first started my ring search, I knew that I did not want diamonds just because of all the conflict that's involved with how they're mined and sold. So one day I was on Facebook and Gents Trading Company came across my feed. So I decided to check them out. I'm so glad that I did because I was able to find the ring of my dreams. So I am wearing here a combination of 3 rings from Gents Trading Company. They are the Bella, the Alexandria, and the Giselle. So the Alexandria is the ring that's in the middle, and that's that emerald. It's absolutely beautiful and blingy. I love it so much. The rings are very comfortable to wear, and so these rings really fit the bill. I went through several rings before I decided on this one. Every ring that I got from Gents was absolutely gorgeous. So I've also purchased some other rings. I'm wearing the Lovely in rose gold. So beautiful with that morganite center. And I love that all the rings are sterling silver and they're rhodium plated. They will not turn your finger green ever. So they do have a lifetime warranty on the rings. This gives me the satisfaction and the comfort knowing that my rings will be beautiful always. I'm also wearing the Forever in rose gold. Very dainty and beautiful. I just absolutely love it. I ordered a beautiful ring box from them, this coral ring box to keep my rings safe. I also have the Queen. The Queen is a queen indeed, let me tell you. Just so absolutely bright and beautiful. Every time I wear this ring, I get stopped. I get a million compliments and questions on where I got her from. Gents sells more than just wedding rings. They have bands for men, and they have accessories such as necklaces and earrings. And I also purchased a pair of earrings. I'm wearing them now. This is the Duets. And let me tell you, they do sing. I love these. I wear them almost every day. They are also very shiny. They sparkle, very, very bright, very comfortable, again, just like the rings. So check Gents out. I just don't feel that, it makes sense really for me to spend, the entire month's budget on one thing. We decided to invest our money in other things like buying a home, and we love to travel. So we'll be, able to do that because we saved money on the ring. If you're thinking about Gents, think no more. Go ahead and do it because you will not be disappointed. And thank you, Gents, for being so wonderful to work with.